Alright guys, we're in the F-150 today and headed to work as per usual, guys. And as you can tell by the title of the video, I passed the CDL permit test for the Class A, which pretty good feeling, guys. So this weekend I'm actually going to be starting the training for that down in Rhode Island. So I gotta figure out how to work that schedule in with, you know, my work right now. But yeah guys, it was pretty easy. There's two tests that you have to take. One of them is the general knowledge test, and I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, just the general knowledge, you know. And there's 50 questions, and what's going on here? So there's 50 questions, and you have to get at least 40 of them right. And then there's the combinations test. So combination meaning combination vehicle. So like if you're driving a tractor, like you have a tractor and then you get the trailer, which makes it a combination. And so you have to take those two tests, and the combination test is like, you know, 20 questions or something like that. And I think that cop just waved. But sorry about that, I'm just concentrating on driving. But yeah, there's 20 questions for the combo test, and you have to get like 16 right, I believe. And then you have the air brakes test, which I took, which you technically don't have to take. You only have to take the general knowledge and the combinations test to get the permit. But the reason I took it is because, you know, it's essentially like you kind of have to take it just because, you know, 90% of trucks, like combination vehicles, use air brakes. So if you don't take the air brakes test, you would have a restriction on your permit, and you wouldn't be able to drive, you know, something with air brakes. So I mean, it's kind of necessary. And that is like 25 questions, and you have to get 20 right. So on the combinations and air brakes test, I got like 100 on them. And by the way, when you take them, once you get the required amount correct, the test just ends. Like, you know, it doesn't give you, and you can skip questions too. So like once you get 40 questions right, the test just stops. It doesn't keep giving you more. And so yeah, I got like 100s on the combinations and air brakes, and then I think I got like 3 wrong on the general knowledge. So it was pretty easy, guys. I didn't even read the manual, the CDL manual. I just read the I just did practice tests online. If you like look online, you can find practice tests. And like, I was a little bit nervous because honestly I didn't know what to expect when I went in, but like honestly, it was like these practice tests. Like when I went in to take the test, they were like the test was like almost word for word like the same. So I was like, oh, like I know like all of them. So it was pretty easy. So if you guys, you know, do some studying, like I said, I didn't even read the manual. I downloaded the online copy, and it was like 189 pages, and I'm like, yeah, I don't have the patience for that. If you guys have the patience to read through that, you know, then do it. I just, like I said, I did a bunch of online tests, and I felt pretty comfortable in there. So yeah, we're gonna be starting that CDL, the CDL training for the driving test, and we're going down to Rhode Island to do that. Just because it was the cheapest place I could find. So my sister lives there, so we'll go stay with her. Come on, dude. And yeah, I'll see how much footage I can get like in the truck. Place seems pretty chill, place that I'm going to, so you know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, good things happening. So today we're going to Connecticut as usual. And yeah, guys, so driving through Woburn. Alright guys, gonna go in our Blue Ink Tech app. We're in T2, we're going to driving, and throw our phone up here. Lights are on, we're in drive. We are Audi, as per usual. Alright guys, so we had a little talk with our manager today. I sent him an email the other day about working less hours so I could focus on the CDL. And you know, yeah, he's like, so what are your, you know, plans, you know, eventually, obviously asking about employment. And I was like, you know, I want to get the CDL, and, you know, I basically said I want to work for, you know, get a CDL job, you know. And I was like, you know, not anything against the company, like, it's not that I don't like the company. It's just, you know, they don't have the semi trucks, they don't have a CDL job here, so I want to keep, you know, going. And they were basically like, you know, we want to retain you, we like you, so, you know, like, basically he's like, we'll keep talking, you know, see if we can do something, but, you know, a CDL is definitely, you know, something that we want to, you know, do here and whatnot if there's something, you know, position. So it's good stuff, but obviously puts me in, you know, this I don't want to say awkward, but like this position of like, I don't know, you know, I don't know what to do. And you know, if they offer me something good, I could possibly stay. But obviously, you know, I need to make more money. You know, we'll see what happens. But I guess I'm just thinking out loud to you guys, because this is what I would do if I was in the truck by myself, except for I probably just wouldn't talk out loud. Oh, it's so warm out today. Of course, we get the car right on us. Got ice cubes in our water today. I'm like, I need my water to be cold, not piss warm. My speaker that I normally listen to music is starting to crap the bed, if you will. It like barely charges and it dies right away, and it sucks because for some reason my phone just doesn't want to connect to the truck radio. So, you know, man, I get a lot of waves when I get this camera on, like, hey, what's up? But you know this scenery, you've done this ride with me before. Same old, same old. Another day in the life of a box truck driver. Bada bing, bada boom. Getting on the highway. The back of his truck says, "Pimpin' ain't easy." whatever the hell that means. I mean, if it's the thing that I'm thinking of, that we're all thinking of, you know. Fuck this guy. Pimpin' ain't easy. Look at it, his license plate is the name of his company. Probably an interesting character driving this one. Pimpin' ain't easy. Alright, what's the temperature out? 85, is that what it says? Nah, 65. It's only 9:14, so you know it's only gonna get hotter. It's this time of year, like over the weekend, it's rainy, like in the freaking 30s, freezing out. Now it's freaking, it's the work week, and it's like 80, 90. That's the Northeast for you. Literally goes from winter to middle of summer within a day. I mean, I'll take it. All these drivers. Alright, we gotta watch out for these guys. They're all gonna be wanting to get on. Well, bud, you took too long. You can wait for me. Pimpin' ain't easy. Here comes pimpin' ain't easy. Pimpin' ain't easy. Pimpin' ain't easy. You gotta ask yourselves, like, what type of person, like whatever if you joke like that, but like what type of person has to make like a statement to put that on their truck? You know what I mean? Like what's the point? Oh, you can tell I drive a lot and I'm by myself because I just randomly sing to myself. Random words that I see on trucks and things, because I get bored. Throw the J brake on. Man, you guys know this route. I do this route all the time. You guys probably get bored of it. I get bored of it. But here we are. Got an email. Oh. An email about Bitcoin. Like, leave me alone, Bitcoin. Archive as I'm trying to merge here. Don't go on your phone while you're trying to merge onto a highway. Little rule of thumb there, guys. Alright, picking up 495 south. Debating whether I stop at Dunk's or not to get my coffee. I already have a coffee, actually. Why do I need to stop? I had some yogurt in the morning, so maybe I'll get lunch instead of breakfast. I don't know, we'll see. That's what you hate to see more than anything, brake lights. But we can't hop in the left lane, guys. That's cheating. We're professionals here. Oh, I need some water. The worst is when you see a line of like cars and trucks and you see the truck that's in the front, it's all open in front of him. It's like, come on, man, what are you doing? Holding everyone up. Like I'm barely going 60 right now. We're in the middle lane, guys. The middle lane is for 65 and over. We all know that, right? Left lane's for more than that, or if you're passing. And the right lane is for the people that want to go slow. Alright guys, I'll check in with you in a bit. Alright guys, we got the jazz station on, because why not? About to go up this hill, and I gotta pee very badly, so we should go up this hill, and then within like 6 miles, maybe 7 miles, there should be a rest stop. The same one I always stop at, you know. But my pee is starting to really come on now. Excuse me, guys. Nothing crazy today. I feel like I say that every video. What do you expect that's driving trucks? What do you want to see? A car crash? I can't hope to see that. That's, you know, I don't know. But yeah, we got some trees, we got some rolling hills. Left lane closed. I wonder where that starts. Wallingford. Wallingford is where that rest stop is, so I always find it interesting when I see these trucks right here. It's like a box truck, so there's no, like, it's not a combo, and there's a sleeper in it. Those must be, you know, interesting job. Ooh, I shouldn't be yawning. Yawning is a sign of fatigue. We're going 70, so we're keeping our power. Almost at a quarter tank, or 3/4, have gone down a quarter. Alright, good, this truck's moving over for us. Ooh, we're drifting a little bit. Keeping our eyes in the mirror. Making sure we stay straight. Alright, up here we stay in the middle lane, cause, or the lane we're in, just cause these 2 lanes are what stay on this highway. Jeez, that is a rusting Mazda MX-5. It's 11, so we're making, you know, decent time. If we had the GPS on, it would want us to take 15 south. But it's a parkway, and if you guys didn't know this, you can't take any commercial vehicle, especially a truck, on a parkway in Connecticut or New York or New Jersey. You gotta stay off the parkways. They have very low hanging bridges, and they're only like little 2-lane highways. Like, can't take a truck on them for sure. They say any commercial vehicle, but you know, you could probably get away with it in a little van or something, but not these trucks. Yeah, that truck moved over. A lot of people that drive these box trucks, they put the GPS on, they just follow it. And they're not aware of like the roads they can't go on. Because obviously your phone's GPS thinks you're just in a car, so. But yeah, guys, check in with you in a little bit. Alright guys, we're headed out, heading back up to Massachusetts. Should be about 3 hours as per usual. I guess that's my word of the day, per usual. But man, it is hot out. Go to Blue Ink Tech, switch it from on duty not driving to driving. And let's throw my phone here. Got the lights on, everything's on, and we're out. This place is always crowded. Take our time if there's someone coming. All right. Give some power. Anyone coming that way? Nope. Got the AC as hot as it can, or as cold as it can go. It's nice. I feel like I can take some time coming back because I don't have to come in to work tomorrow till 12. Which, you know, makes me feel like I don't have to get back right away. This is always a weird little three-way intersection. We got a guy here. Try to go around him as fast as I can. See these people, they don't look. They just start going. It's like, I'm already coming, man. It only took us a quarter of a tank to get down here. If you're good at like conserving power while getting the most power, that'll, you know, preserve your gas the most. So I'm always trying to preserve my gas, you know. I mean, sometimes this trip only takes me like 2 quarters, and you know, I'm going over like, you know, 300-400 miles. So that's not bad, you know. Here's the no turn on red that I always turn on red. These people always cut corners. Alright, we'll see what's... Get after this car. Take this left. Oh, we were getting the left arrow, but Who knows if we'll make it? You know. Probably could have made it, but whatever. It's the way she goes. I mean, the good thing about the green arrow is even if you miss the light, which we did, you always get the next green arrow. But so far so good today. We got 7 hours 40 on our clock for our logs. I could stop at some point and get lunch, but we'll see how I'm feeling. Hopefully this person gives us enough space. Yeah, we got that. Yeah, this is industrial Connecticut. Specifically Stamford, Connecticut, but I wish this guy would go a little faster. Oh, you frick, man. It's always like on this road getting to the highway that just like, I just want to get through it as fast as I can, you know? There's just so much traffic. Yep, alright. Come on, dude. You know I'm waiting on ya, Mr. Chevy Sonic. This dude just does not want to give any gas. Bro. Like, good luck to whoever gets behind him. Oh, he's on his phone, of course. What can you expect from people like that? question is do I stop, or do I get food, or do I just keep going, keeping on? Because this is the highway to stop on if I want to. And like, I kind of want to just to like stop, but like, is there traffic? There is always traffic. I come down the other side and there's traffic, and this side's clear. And then I leave and I come on this side and there's traffic going this way, and the other side's clear. It's like I can't win, ever. You know what I mean? I just can't win. Let's check the nav. See how long this traffic's gonna last. See, this is gonna, and it'll clear up around this corner. I just hate it. It's like right when you get on, like boom, traffic. Whatever, we'll remain patient. We'll move through it. Alright guys, I'll check in with you at some point. Alright, pretty short video for you guys today. I haven't really done much in a little bit, just had a lot going on, you know. Had my grandmother is moving into assisted living, so I had to help, you know, with that, as well as, you know, do the CDL stuff. And I really just wanted to make a video just letting you guys know that I passed my CDL permit test, which I was excited about. So, you know, that was kind of like the main point of the video. And you know, nothing really interesting happened today, which isn't a bad thing when you're on the road. Let's go before this truck goes. But you know, we're ending the day where we always end the day, back in Billerica, headed to HQ. We got some life things to figure out, you know. We're gonna do the CDL, we gotta figure out, you know, the work schedule, which is a small thing, but then we gotta figure out, are we gonna stay with the company I'm working with, or are we going to go to another company? And that, you know, that comes down to how much the company I'm working with now really wants me, because, you know, they gotta pay me, you know, the amount I want to get paid for me to stay with this company. And that being said, nothing against the company I'm working for. I really like them. It's just I need more money, you know what I mean? You know, you work your way up, you gotta keep going. Especially after you get the CDL. Like, I already know I could find jobs that would pay me more, so I'm just gonna ask them what I want to be paid, and you know, if they can't do it, they can't do it. You know, wish the best of luck to them. But I'm just talking to you guys what's going on in my mind, and of course I'll always keep you guys updated, you know, keep you informed, you know, the life of a driver, you know what I'm saying? The life of a truck driver, working our way up from the box trucks to the semis. You know, maybe at some point we could be an owner-operator. Until then, we are here driving these box trucks. Let you go, hopefully no one's coming, we're good. But you know, as per usual, the word of the day, you know, thanks for watching guys. I really appreciate everyone that watches these videos. You know, we got a nice tight-knit clan of subscribers. And I enjoy making them, so if you like this video, leave a like, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, share it with your friends. Give me some suggestions. You know, hopefully we'll get some better content with the coming weeks and the coming months. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Keep on trucking, and I will see you next time.